Welcome to Crypto News, the Crypto News channel. Today we are going to talk about what cryptocurrency could become and the bright future it could have. We will see the perspectives of Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, on the future of crypto. We will also discuss the subject of the bear market and its consequences for investors. We will also talk about BlackRock and its growing interest in cryptocurrency, as well as the tokenomics redesign of a big decentralized finance project. We will also talk about FTX and the issue of crypto mining. If you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and activate the notification to not miss anything. Let's start quickly with crypto. Prices up slightly today. We have a Bitcoin at more than 1%, 16,600, and ETH at $1,200, plus 1%. Also, the market as a whole, it is up 0.89%. Let's talk now of the future of cryptocurrency according to Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum. For Vitalik, there are several key points that need to be addressed for cryptocurrency to reach its full potential. First, the scalability issues need to be resolved. Currently, most blockchains have limitations on the number of transactions per second, which can make using cryptocurrency difficult and expensive. For Vitalik, it is essential to find solutions to increase the capacity of blockchains to process a large number of transactions quickly and efficiently. Then, we must improve the confidentiality of transactions. Currently, most blockchains are public, which means that anyone can see the transactions taking place there. This can cause privacy issues for cryptocurrency users. Vitalik believes that protocols should be in place that allow transaction privacy to be protected natively, i.e., directly at the protocol level, rather than depending on solutions on a specific application. Finally, Vitalik emphasizes the importance of improving the user experience and developing new applications for cryptocurrency. According to him, the use of crypto must be simplified and new possibilities offered to users so that it can establish itself in everyday life. These are the main points that Vitalik discusses on the future of cryptocurrency in a nutshell. According to him, if these issues are resolved, cryptocurrency has every chance of becoming an unavoidable force in the global economy. Now let's talk about David Marcus. Do you know him? David Marcus, former CEO of PayPal and former head of cryptocurrency payments at Facebook, created a company based on Bitcoin's Lightning Network to develop cryptocurrency payments. The Lightning Network is a protocol layer outside the Bitcoin blockchain that allows transactions to be carried out quickly and inexpensively. Unlike Bitcoin's blockchain, which updates all transactions across the entire network and can be slow and expensive for this reason, the Lightning Network allows transactions to be updated more efficiently by using a network of payment channels. This means that multiple transactions can be made without having to be recorded on Bitcoin's blockchain, making the process faster and less expensive. According to him, the bear market period of falling cryptocurrency prices should still last until 2024, and the recovery should come in 2025. David Marcus thinks that this is the time to continue to develop things with value, and believes in decentralized finance and apps like zero-knowledge payments. He also thinks the Lightning Network holds promise for low-cost, interoperable, and real-time payments. He also thinks it's time to keep developing valuable things and focus on construction in order to take advantage of the next price hike. In other words, Marcus believes in continuing to work hard during this period of falling prices rather than expecting an immediate recovery in order to position yourself to take advantage of the next rising price. Now let's move on to BlackRock news. As you may know, BlackRock is one of the largest asset managers in the world. Recently, they announced that they intend to get into the cryptocurrency market. According to them, there is a growing interest from investors in cryptocurrencies, and they want to be able to meet this interest. They said they will create a cryptocurrency investment fund that will be accessible to institutional investors, such as pension funds and insurance companies. This announcement has been enthusiastically received by many in the cryptocurrency market, who consider it to be a sign of growing recognition by major corporations of the value and importance of cryptocurrencies. It could also be a sign that the cryptocurrency market is becoming more mature and professional, which could attract new investors and build confidence in this market. Now let's talk about FTX. There was recently an announcement from the Bahamian regulator that they seized $3.5 billion worth of cryptocurrency belonging to the FTX company. However, FTX responded by saying that this sum was really only $300 million, mostly in the form of FTT-linked tokens. These tokens are illiquid and have lost much of their value, making them now worth just $167 million. This represents bad news for people who had money on FTX. The Wall Street Journal also reported that SBF, the founder of FTX, is likely to plead guilty in a hearing scheduled for early January. SBF tweeted from jail claiming that he did not convert the money in question, which was on wallets belonging to FTX, into Bitcoin. He also claimed to no longer have access to these wallets, which is strange. It is difficult to know if he is lying or if he simply had poor management of the security of these wallets, which could have been taken into possession by other people. Anyway, SBF seems not to want to be associated with this case because it could lead to him returning to prison. The SushiSwap project has announced that it will redesign its tokenomics, i.e. its way of distributing sushi tokens. The sushi token has been struggling lately, falling from $22 to less than $1. To remedy this, SushiSwap will implement several measures. First, liquidity providers on the decentralized exchange SushiSwap will now receive the majority of transaction fees, 0.05%, from exchanges. In addition, these providers will be able to block their liquidity to earn even more sushi tokens. Then, those who have stacked sushi tokens, i.e. who have locked their tokens to receive rewards from them, will not receive transaction fees, but can still receive a part of them by blocking their tokens. Finally, SushiSwap will implement a burn mechanism, i.e. part of the swap fees, 0.05%, will be used to buy back and burn sushi tokens. This measure aims to increase the price of the sushi token, which has seen a decline lately. SushiSwap will also increase sushi token issuance, i.e. inflation, by 1 to 3%. These changes are necessary because SushiSwap does not have enough money to continue its long-term development, unlike its competitor Phantom. So here is what I had to tell you today about the best crypto news of the day. Do not hesitate to subscribe, to like, to comment if you liked the content. And I also wish you a happy new year, and I tell you to tomorrow for the next video.